You can only think so clearly in a cluttered room, and this here was definitely a reflection of my spiraling psyche. I am a firm believer in feng shui and energy moving around the room, so if you have too much junk in its path, you're going to be feeling stagnant as heck and wondering why you're so tired you can't get anything done because you need to get up and sweep your floor, girl. There's only so much energy redirection I can do with bolted down furniture, but organizing and omitting things from my space is a good way to keep things fresh and fun and, Honestly, this was a monumental mess for me, and ever since then, I haven't let my room get this dirty because it didn't take that long to clean, but just the fact that it takes 2 seconds to put something back where it belongs. Maybe my prefrontal cortex is finally fully formed, or perhaps my mother was just right all along, because cleaning as you go really is the solution. Like, it's the life hack. You won't ever have to clean a mess again if you never leave it messy, Being in school has also taught me everyone's standards of clean is definitely different. I've been conditioned to believe that I am not such a clean person, but if you saw my last vlog, my sick vlog, then you know that the bar is on the floor around here and personal responsibility does not exist. So I do feel like I'm on my horse. Yes, I am better than everybody because I clean up after myself. Thank you. I do want my cookie and my Oscar. Moral superiority aside, adopting a mindfulness practice such as cleaning creates a sense of structure and responsibility and predictability. I recently heard Bretman Rock talk about this on his podcast. I think, was it in correlation with depression and having an animal and having someone depend on you every day to wake up and feed you? And I see it as sort of similar, like maybe you wake up and sweep your floor every day or wipe down your countertops or Windex your freaking windows. Me, personally, I like to make up my bed, but we'll get to that in a minute. Me and my hospital bed military tuck because I am a drill sergeant every day at 6 a.m. The point is to show up for yourself consistently and show that you deserve to exist in a clean space. If I had a cleaning Achilles heel, it would definitely be doing laundry because I will look at it, it will look at me, I'll look at it, and it'll just sit there. Dorm living also means you're liable to come back to your clothes on the counter, so you have to be swift and don't be mindful of how long you keep your clothes, and don't take all day when you're washing your clothes. Do you see how I set my timer? How I don't forget? Fun fact, actually really sad fact, making my bed is the most enjoyable part of my morning because I just feel like if I haven't folded up my covers and tucked in my sheets, then I am prone to prying back the blankets and getting back under them. I enjoy making my bed so much that if my dislike for the American government didn't offset my joy for bed making, that I would join the military just to have someone blow the whistle every morning at me to make my bed. I wish it was an exaggeration, but I double dog dare you to just start making your bed every day as soon as you are ready to start your day. Like when you decide that you're not getting back in the bed anymore, make your bed and see how you feel. See how you feel for the next 30 days. You're gonna feel like Superman. You're gonna feel on top of the world because you made your space nice for later. You're thinking about future you. It doesn't have to be anything drastic. Literally a light crumb sweep and a stiff sheet pull is all I did in this video, but something about the small healthy habit and making my space prepared for sleep just really boosts my self-esteem and gets my day started on the right side of the bed, so to speak. I also feel like in a current climate where half of everybody is obsessed with, being overly cleaned and the hygiene Olympics, and then everyone else is talking about Indie Sleaze is making a revival and we're never washing our faces again. I feel like I found a healthy medium to where, the bottom of my feet aren't black, but am I washing my face twice a day? That's a secret I'll never tell. To each their own, to which the extreme they want to take their cleanliness. I'm just here to motivate you to give yourself a little bit more respect and make your space something you'd be not only proud to exist in, but proud to coexist in, because I think about this all the time now, like, damn, can I even have company if I wanted to? Staying ready so you don't have to get ready is something I always say in my makeup videos, but I do believe that also applies to every aspect of your life. If you prepare yourself for the moment that you've been praying for, or what is it that Abraham Lincoln said? The moment's gonna come whether I prepare myself or not. something like that. And yes, I did just conveniently close my closet door. No, I do not want to acknowledge the pileup of clothes. Yes, I do have a video coming out of me trying them on and organizing all of my unwanted clothes, so stay on the lookout for that. But my second daily practice that I've adopted is washing my dishes, which gasp, because if you know me, like, you would have to waterboard me to do the dishes. Maintaining my own space made me realize that doing the dishes was never the problem. I just don't like doing dishes behind other people or being told when to do them. Being able to practice autonomy in this area of my life has encouraged me to act immediately and not just sit and let things turn into an eyesore, because it takes 2 seconds to wash the dish, like we said earlier. I hope this isn't a hot take, but my ultimate conclusion is that a mess not only is a physical manifestation of your mental, but also your overall morals. Because if you're careless about how clean you are, or the respect that you're willing to tolerate the space that you occupy, imagine how you're telling the world to treat you. The good part is the inverse is also true. So if you treat everything you do with care and attention, and you're meticulous about every detail, then obviously you're more likely to carry that into different areas of your life, which is a good thing as opposed to a destructive thing like being disorganized. Once I get one of those good cinnamon stick brooms, it's over for you bitches, because I can't express how sweeping makes me feel. Actually, yes, I can, like a Disney princess. Cinderella specifically, but I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys sit back and enjoy the montage and hopefully get the same endorphins that sweeping gives to me. I definitely need a mop or a Swiffer, because I was on my knees last week like Cinderella for real, scrubbing the floor. But sweeping is the last step in our routine, and we get to come into a clean room. I love that feeling of everything just being fresh and clean. So fresh, so clean. Andre 3000. Anywho, I hope this motivated you to maybe get up and clean a mess. See you next time. TTYL XOX.